Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to delete your browsing history from your YouTube channel or from your YouTube account. So assuming you have a YouTube account and you've browsed a number of channels, you have videos, you have browsed a number of videos and you want to clear your browsing history, maybe for privacy or for personal reasons, you can just come over to, so let's say you are on your YouTube account, you logged in with your YouTube account. So all you need to do is to come to these three dots over here and just click on it, and you can come to history over here. Okay, once you click on history, you should be able to see the history of what you have browsed recently, and you can just come over to, you can either delete the history one by one by just coming over here and just click on this star to remove it. Click on this to remove, or you can just come over here and say clear all watch history. You can clear all your watch history, or you can pause watch history so it will not record your next watch history. What you watch is not going to be recorded. Or you can come to manage all history and do many more other things. But for this video, all you need to do is to come over here and say clear all history, and it's going to tell you that it's going to clear all your history. You say yes, clear all watch history, and it's cleared, and now everything is free. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to clear your history on your YouTube account that you've logged in with your Gmail account, the history of what you've watched. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.